Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now before us is this beautiful question. And it reads that three locations are shown by A, B, and C from the diagram. A, B, and C are shown in the diagram below. Now if AB, that is from here to here, is 20, and BC, that is from here to here, is 15, find AC, that is distance from here to here, and the bearing of A from C. Okay, so let's label this. AB, we are told, is 20, that's 20 here, and here is what? 15. Alright, so we are told to calculate, to find AC, that is the distance from here to here. So, alright, so since here is A, this side is small letter A, here is C, here is small letter C, and here is B, small letter B. Okay, so now since we have two known sides and one angle, I will be making use of the cosine rule. Okay, and we'll be starting up with the unknown side, which is B. Then here you have B squared equals C squared plus A squared minus 2CA, then cos B. Okay, so our B here, B squared equals our C, that is the side for C, that will be 20 squared, then plus our A is 15 squared, then minus 2 times C, that will be 20, then times A, that will be 15, then cos 130 degree. Alright, so all we just need to do now is to compute. So here we have that B squared equals 20 squared, that should give us 400, and 15 squared should give us 225. Then here 2 times 20 times 15, that should be 40 times 15, that should give us 600. Then cos 130, that will be minus 0.64278. Okay. Alright, so we'll just continue. B squared equals, when we sum this up, this should give us 625. Then this minus and this minus, when we open the bracket here, the whole of this multiplied by 600, and the minus multiplied by minus, that will give us plus. Okay, so here we have 600 times 600, that will give us plus 3, 85.6726. Alright, so when we add up 625 plus 385.6726, so our B squared will then give us 1010.6726. Okay, so at this point, then B, for us to get rid of this square, just we square both sides. Just we will neglect the negative aspect of the square root and concentrate on the positive. So here you have 1010.6726. So our B here will then become, so here we have 31.79. So approximately, let's put it to one decimal place, 31.8 meter. Although there is no restriction on the board, maybe to 2 decimal or 3 decimal, so I just by my own discretion. So the next one we need to look at now is the bearing of A from C. That is the angle here. Since bearing of A from, so we have to take it from here, take note. That will be from here. Let's cut this. So from here down to this point here. Okay, now let's take note that this angle is known already because it's complete, 90. Here you also got 90. However, from here down to here is incomplete. So let's just shade it out. So all we need to do is to add up 90 plus 90 and this angle. But unfortunately, this angle is not complete. So how then do we get the angle? So what we just need to do here is to find a way to get this angle here. Okay, and how do we get this angle here? This angle is alternate to this angle. And we can only get this angle if you're able to calculate this angle. So let's just make this theta. Okay, so since here we have this angle, and already our side B, which is here, it is 31.8 meter. Okay, approximately 32 meter. Okay, so since we have three sides already and we are looking for this angle, so we just make use of the cosine rule once again, but this time around the angle here will actually be the subject of relation. So since we are having A, so we can have it as cos A then equals B squared plus A squared, plus C squared minus A squared, then all over 2BC. Okay, so let us just plug in. So cos A will then be, our B here is 32 squared, then plus our C is 20 squared, then our A is 15 squared, then all over 2 times our B is what? Our B, okay, let's from our B is 32, then our C is 20. Alright, computing here, cos A will then be 32 squared. This will give us 1024, then plus 400 minus 225, then all over 2 times 32 times 20. Now this gives 1280. So cos A, now computing the numerator, you have 1024, then plus 400, I guess, yeah, then minus 225. Now this will give us 1199, then all over 1280, and this will give us cos A now divided by 1280. So this will give us 0.93671875. Alright, so the inverse of A, 0.9367. Let me just put it to 4 decimal place. Then cos inverse, this will be 20. Okay, so our A here will now be 20. Okay, this is 20.5 degrees. Now I'm thinking that is not what we're looking for, but here, so for us to now find this angle, small angle here, take note the whole of here is meant to be 90 degrees. Okay, so but here we have 60 and here now is 20.5. So it implies that 90 minus 60 then plus 20.5. Now this should give us so this is 9.5. Now since here is 9.5, automatically here also will be what? 9.5. Alright, so to that end it implies that the whole of here also is alternate to the sum of these two angles. So we then add 90 plus 90 plus 80.5. Okay, so bearing of A from C will then be 90 plus 90 then plus 80.5. So that will be 90 plus 90 plus 80.5. So this should give us 260.5. So approximately 261 degree. Final answer. If you love what I've just done, please kindly share this video, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be updated of all my videos in physics and mathematics. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.